Alright, let's start with cutting the insulation. First, measure the space carefully. Every van panel is a little different, so don't assume both sides are the same. Use a tape measure and write the dimensions down before you cut anything. Now that we've cut the insulation strips, it's time to stick them carefully to the van roof. Start by cleaning the metal surface. Make sure it's dry and free from dust or grease. This helps the adhesive bond properly. Once the insulation strips are in place, use a roller to press them firmly onto the roof. This step is really important. The roller helps create even pressure across the entire surface, making sure the adhesive bonds properly to the metal.